how much should you actually spend on a sea scooter? Because people are happy buying the cheaper ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Waydo Subnato. First up is the Waydo Subnato. At $399, this compact underwater scooter caught my eye with its sleek design and impressive performance. If you want a reliable companion for your diving adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Subnato boasts a 98 Wh battery that fully charges in just 1.2 hours, giving you 56 minutes of cruise time. It delivers a powerful 14.33 pounds of thrust, which means you can glide effortlessly through the water. Plus, it's lightweight at only 3 pounds, making it easy to pack for any trip. Now, some people complained about the price point being a little high for what you get. Here's the thing though, while it's true you can find cheaper options, the quality and durability of the Subnato really stand out. If you're serious about underwater exploration, the investment is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable scooter that combines performance with portability. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just want something minimal for casual use. Now, if the price of the Subnato bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Waydo Subnato Lite. Next up is the Waydo Subnato Lite, also priced at $399 but with a slightly different design. This caught my attention for its simplicity and user-friendly features. If you want an affordable yet efficient diving scooter, this is worth a serious look. The Subnato Lite weighs just 3 pounds and is compact enough to fit in your carry-on. It also features a 100W fast-charging battery that takes just 1.2 hours to fully charge, giving you about 50 minutes of runtime. At 14.33 pounds of thrust, it's powerful enough for both beginners and experienced divers. However, some users mentioned that the removable handle could be a bit flimsy during intense use. But honestly, if you're just enjoying a casual dive or snorkel, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss underwater scooter. Skip this one if you need something that can handle extreme conditions or intense diving. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for serious underwater adventures. Product number 3, Scuba underwater scooter. Now we have the Scuba underwater scooter priced at $429.99. This caught my eye for its dual motors and impressive safety features. If you want something that prioritizes safety while still giving you power, this is worth a serious look. With dual 600W motors, the Scuba releases 9 kg of thrust, allowing you to explore up to 40 meters underwater. The battery charges in 2-3 hours and offers around 35 minutes of runtime, which is pretty solid for longer underwater excursions. That said, some users found the weight a bit cumbersome at 3.5 kg. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a machine that has a strong performance, a little extra weight might just be a trade-off you need to make. This is perfect for you if you're diving with kids or just want extra safety features. Skip this one if you're looking for a lightweight option for travel. Now, if the weight of the Scuba bothered you, let's see how the next one stacks up. Product number 4, Sublumix. Next, we have the Sublumix priced at $499. This scooter stood out to me because of its high speed and innovative design. If you want something that can really accelerate your underwater experience, give this one a serious look. The Sublumix can reach speeds up to 3.36 mph with its dual motors delivering 22 lbf thrust. Plus, it has a long-lasting 11,000 mAh battery that offers up to 30 minutes of intermittent use. However, a few users pointed out that the battery can take some time to charge fully. But honestly, if you're getting top performance out of it, a slightly longer charge time may not be such a big deal. This is perfect for you if you want a high-speed adventure beneath the waves. Skip this one if you need something that charges quickly without the wait. Now, if charging times sound like a drawback, the next product might just be what you're looking for. Product number 5, LEFET S1 Pro. Finally, we have the LEFET S1 Pro priced at $699. This caught my attention for its modular design and powerful performance. If you're a diving enthusiast, this is worth a serious look. The S1 Pro features a modular design with wireless control, allowing you to customize your experience. It's designed for depths of up to 40 meters, making it perfect for serious divers. That being said, some users found it a bit complex to set up initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the flexibility and performance you gain are well worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're a serious diver looking for high performance and versatility. Skip this one if you're just starting and prefer something more straightforward. So there you have it. Each of these scooters offers something unique for underwater adventures. To wrap it up, we've looked at the Wade Subnado, the Wade Subnado Lite, the Asiwo Underwater Scooter, the Sublumix, and the Elefet S1 Pro. Each has its strengths, whether you prioritize safety, speed, or modularity. Choose the one that fits your underwater needs best.